Hi guys, and welcome to a new video on my channel. I am pretty excited because this week is WWDC 2021. In this worldwide developer conference we're gonna see a lot of amazing things, and here is one of them. We're gonna look over the new features in SwiftUI 3, and today we're gonna take a look at Async Image. This is a feature requested a lot of times because now we can load images from the internet without having to work a lot. You will see how easy it is, so let's get started. First of all, let me remove this text view, and here you see we have the sync image. First of all, do not forget, in order to code along with me you need to have the Xcode beta in order to have these new features available. So as you can see, here we have an URL, content and placeholder. But first let's just load the image, URL, string, and here we're gonna pass URL from the internet. Mine is from Pixabay. Also we have a complaint here that this feature is just available on iOS 15. We're gonna fix this with the available attribute like this. And we need also to add it to our preview. Let me build. Okay, and as you can see now the image is loaded and it's pretty big. Maybe you don't want this image to be loaded like this. Let's use a frame over here. Let's give it 300 by 300 and center. Let's reload. But as you can see, we apply the frame only to the placeholder but not to the actual image. There is a way to do this. Here the second property is the content that will send you the actual image, and now you can apply modifiers on it like this and pass the placeholder like this. And as you might guess, here we can apply all modifiers that can be applied on images. Let's say scale to fit, and also let's apply a mask. Would be a rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 20, and also let's add a padding, and instead of having here a color, let's use a text view, say loading image like this. Let's run, and now we have this image displayed from the internet with just a few lines of code. This is pretty awesome. So this was it for this tutorial today, but I will cover other new features that will be presented at WWDC this year. Until the next time, I wish you all the best.